Hi, I am Preeti. In this video, I will solve question number 15 of exercise 6.5. So, what is question number 15? In an equilateral triangle ABC. So, we have one equilateral triangle ABC. So, equilateral triangle means all sides are equals. So, we will write it here given that AB equals to AC equals to BC, right? Let's say this is A, okay? And D is a point on side BC, D is here, such that also given BD equals to 1 by 3 BC. Means this BD equals to 1 by 3rd of this BC. So let's match A and D, okay? So these two things given. And we have to prove that what 9 of AD square equals to 7 of AB square. Okay, this we have to prove. Okay, so what is this AD square? Where is AD? AD is this. Okay, so how we will calculate AD square? To calculate this, if we will use Pythagoras theorem also, we need this is hypo, but this we need one right angle triangle, correct? So for that we will do one construction. Okay, so let's draw one perpendicular on line BC as AE. So construction is AE perpendicular to BC. Okay, so this is 90 degree. Now we can use Pythagoras theorem in triangle ADE so that we can find AD square, correct? So AD square also we can find, and also here also AB square. So AB square also we can find in triangle ABD by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so see in this triangle ADE, what will be the AD square? AD square equals to AE square plus DE square, correct? As per Pythagoras theorem. So first calculate AE square and then ED square and then put in that Pythagoras theorem of triangle ADE. Okay, so let's calculate AE. Okay, so what is AE? AE is the altitude of triangle ABC, and triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, correct? So what is the property of equilateral triangle? That altitude bisect equilateral triangle, means the altitude which is AE that bisect BC. That means ki BE equals to EC, and also it makes 90 degree on the base. That means ki we can say that BE equals to EC. Also angle ABE is 90 degree, correct? Because of the altitude property of equilateral triangle. Okay, now if we will calculate AE, so we can calculate in triangle this ABE, so that we can use one side of an equilateral triangle. So in triangle ABE, because we have to calculate AE, so we will use this triangle so that we can find out we can use one side of a triangle also. Okay, so AB square equals to this AB square equals to AE square plus BE square, right? Now we can write, we have to find out AE square. So AE square equals to AB square minus BE square, right? This plus will go this side and will become minus. Okay, so AE square equals to AB is A, so we will write just A square minus what is BE? BE equals to EC, and also we can say that ki BE is equals to half of BC, right? Because this equals to this means BE equals to half of BC, right? So instead of BE we will write A by 2 of square, because BC is what? BC is also A, right? So AE square equals to A square minus A by 2 whole square, correct? Also we can write AE square equals to A square minus A square by 4. That means 4A square minus A square by 4. That means 3A square by 4. So that what will be the AE? AE equals to root under, we can write whole first, 3A square by 4. Okay, that means A will go in front of this root. So A by 4, what is 4? 4 is 2 square. So A by 2 root 3. Correct? Even in the formula also, you have to remember कि altitude of an equilateral triangle equals to root 3 into side by 2. Okay? So this is the length of the altitude of an equilateral triangle. Okay? Now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate DE, correct? So DE equals to, what we can write? DE equals to, can we write BE minus BD, correct? Because DE equals to BE minus BD, right? So what is BE? BE is half of BC, correct? So BE is BC by 2. And what is BD? BD equals to 1 by 3 of BC, means BC by 3, correct? And we will, this is 6, this is 3 BC minus 2 BC, that means ki BC by 6, correct? So DE equals to BC by 6. So what is BC? BC equals to A. So A by 6. So DE equals to A by 6 and AE equals to A by 2 into root 3. Okay. Now we will use Pythagoras theorem in triangle ADE. Okay. So in triangle ADE, AD square equals to what? Hypo square equal to sum of a square of other two side, means AE square plus DE square, correct? Now AD square equals to, what is AE square? AE square we already calculated, right? So AE square equals to, or we calculated AE, okay? So AE square equals to, here also we can write AE is here. So AE square equals to 3 into A square by 4. Okay. So 3 into A square by 4 plus, what is DE square? What is DE? DE equals to A by 6. So DE square equals to A by 6 whole square. Correct? So now again we will calculate. Okay. So AD square plus 3A square by 4 plus A square by 6, 6 ja 36. Okay. Now AD square equals to 36 and then 9 into 3 is 27 A square plus A square. That means 27 plus 1 is 28 A square by 36. Correct? So 9 4 ja 36 and 7 4 ja 28. Correct? That means AD square equals to 7A square by 9. And what is A square? A square is A. What is A? A is the side of an equilateral triangle. Okay. So we can write 9 AD square equals to this 7 into A square. A square instead of A, can we write AB? Correct? Because A is the side of an equilateral triangle. So instead of A, can we write AB, right? So same thing we have to prove, correct? 9 AD equals to 7 AB square. So 9 AD square equals to 7 AB square. So this is proved now. Correct? Okay. Now question number 16. What is question number 16? In an equilateral triangle. So again we have one equilateral triangle. Let's say ABC. Okay. Prove that 3 times the square of one side, means 3 into the square of one side, let's see AB square, equals to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. So its altitude, I already explained. Okay, this altitude bisect the base and make 90 degree. Okay. So this is equals to 4 times one of its altitude. So let's say this is E. So 4 into AE square. This we have to prove. Correct? Prove that. Fine. So what is given? Given that ABC is an equilateral triangle. That means AB equals to AC equals to BC. Let's say this is A. Okay. And also given BE equals to EC. Correct? Because this altitude bisect the base and also this is 90 degree. Means angle AEB equals to angle AEC equals to what? 90 degree. Right? Now see what we have to calculate. 3 times AB square. AB square is here. 4 times AE square. AE square is here. That means we have to use this triangle. Correct? Then easily we can find out this AB square and AE square also. Correct? And to find BE square, we will use this BE equals to EC. And what is this? B equals to EC, and this both are half of BC. Or we can also say half of A by 2. Correct? So BC equals to A by 2. EC is also A by 2. Fine. Now we will use Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABE. Okay? So AB square equals to what? BE square plus AE square. Right? So AB square equals to, we will just simply write A square because AB equals to A. So A square equals to BE. Instead of BE, can we write A by 2? Yes. A by 2 whole square plus AE square. Okay. Now A square minus this A by 2 square will go this side and will make minus. So A by 2 whole square equals to AE square. Right? That means it will become A square minus A square by 4 equals to AE square. Correct? That means 4A square minus A square by 4. Okay? Equals to AE square. That means 4A square minus A square by 4 equals to AE square. Right? Now 3A square by 4 equals to AE square. Right? What is A square? A is the side of an equilateral triangle. So 3 into, instead of A square, can we write AB square? Correct? So AB square by 4. We can see it here also. See. AB equals to A. So instead of A, I just wrote AB square. Okay. So this equals to AE square. That means 3 times of AB square equals to 4 times of altitude square. Correct? The same thing we have to prove, right? 3 into AB square equals to 4 into AE square, right? See. 3 into AB square equal to 4 into AE square. Correct? So this is proved now. Okay. Now the last question of this exercise is question number 17. Okay. So what is question number 17? Tick the correct answer and justify in triangle ABC. There is one triangle ABC. Okay. AB equals to 6 root 3 centimeter. AC equals to 12 centimeter. BC equals to 6 centimeter. Okay. The angle B, this we have to find. Angle B is what? Okay. So since if we will use Pythagoras theorem, so for that we need which one will be the hypo and the other what will be the other two side, or so that we can find out the square of the sides. So in this triangle, if we will see which one is the highest length, 12, correct? This is 6. So 12 is bigger. Here also 6 root 3. So root 3 is 1.732. So 6 into 1.732, it will become around 10. Okay. So 12 is the maximum length of this triangle. Correct? So hypo can be 12. Correct? So hypo square is what? 12 square. So what is 12 square? 144. Okay. So hypo square equals to what? Sum of square of other two side. That means let's calculate AB square and BC square. Other two sides square. Okay. So what is AB square? AB square equals to 6 root 3 square and plus BC square is 6 square. Correct? So 6 root 3 means 6 6 are 36 multiplied by 3 plus again 36. Correct? That means 8 and 108 plus 36. That means 144. Correct? So 144 BC square plus AB square plus BC square is 144 and hypo square is also 144. That means we can say hypo square means in bracket we can write AC square equals to what? AB square plus BC square. That means ki this is the Pythagoras theorem. Correct? So we can say ki angle B is the 90 degree. Why? Because AC is the hypo. Correct? So opposite side of hypo will be 90 degree. So angle B is 90 degree. Correct? So this is done from exercise 6.5. Even this is the last question of triangles chapter. If you have any doubt in this triangle chapter, please write your comments in the comment section. Also, please like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.